Hi guys, we are revealing our junior box of the month for September. We have a nice coffee fall theme going on. I absolutely love this. Tomorrow I'll be revealing the full box of the month, so stay tuned for that tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. There are limited spots for the junior box of the month, so if you are interested in this collection, shop early on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time to snag up the box. You are able to get the paper products individually on the shop on the 1st, and guess what guys, you'll be able to use a 10% discount code on the 1st to grab some new goodies for our end of the summer sale. That is the last day of our end of summer sale. Use the code HelloFall for 10% off your order. The coupon code is not valid on subscription items. So let's take a look at the stamp set first. It's absolutely adorable. We're going to color up some of the images and create a card today. So we have this really cute image of this lady sipping on some hot coffee. She's got her pile of books. She's got some snacks. She's got some sewing thread. She's got her French press. She's got her cat by her. She's just all cozy. She's all cozy, getting ready to craft the day away. She's probably in some sweats, however you want to color that. We have a little shelf you can stamp behind her. We have a single cup of coffee. We have some coffee beans. We have a book with some glasses on top, a little solid heart. We have a little book over here. We have the owl on top of a stack of books. We've got great sentiments in here. Insert coffee to begin. Cats, books, and coffee. Perfect sentiment for this image. Books, blankets, warm drinks. Love that with this cute image here. Wise words and warm drinks. That would go lovely with this image. Books, coffee, bliss. Love it with this image as well. You deserve a coffee break and a plot twist. So that goes great with any of these book images. We've got bookish bliss. Brewed for quiet moments. I love that. Books and coffee. There's another little pile of coffee beans right there. This is packed full of images. I love that. We've got hashtag Coffee and Books Volume 2 with coordinating ephemera. Now, if you remember our hashtags, Coffee and Books, the first release, it was very popular. I think I only have a handful of the ephemeras from the first release left. And once that's gone, it is gone for good. But this is volume 2 and is just as cute. So let's take a look at this. This one has more of the dark, rich coffee tones. We've got some hearts. You do get 4 of each. They're double-sided. We've got coffee and muffins on the other side. Love this caramel color, little cupcake and your cappuccino. Some scripty font in the background, love that. Nice page with coffee beans, coffee stain, I love this. We've got your books and coffee, a little snack, some coffee seals. On the back, we've got some lovely polka dots, some more coffee beans. And then on the back side of that, we have our sweet treats and coffee drinks. Here we have this nice rich brown color with little splatters of coffee beans and a coffee cup. And then on the back side of that, I love this one. Like a grungy background with those coffee beans. So great paper pad. Let's take a look at the ephemera. Let me lay this all out for you. So we've got some cute images. Here's a crate full of books and coffee, a little tray with a book and coffee and a kettle, a nice cozy chair with your little blanket and your book and coffee or tea. Here's a lady reading a good book with a hot cup of something. Here's a bookshelf, a typewriter with a cup of coffee, single cups. Here's another chair facing the other way, a stack of books, a latte cup, a little vintage grinder. Here's a girl with backpack and her arms are filled with books. Here's another cozy chair, a little reading chair, a cute little shelf, little window scene, books, coffee, and bliss. Love that cute little sign. A pile of books with some glasses. There's another single cup. A smaller cup. I love this one, tied with some lavender. Oh, nice little basket, a gift basket with all the goodies. Cute little birdhouse with books inside and a little coffee. Here's some ladies reading some books, carrying some books. A little reading nook. We got some iced coffee. Cute little owl on top of a stack of books. Your French press, it's a tiny one. Some single cups of coffee there. And another cold brew. So cute collection. Let's take a look at the Cozy Cup A2 card fronts. We've got beautiful coffee designs in here. So you get 2 of each. They are single-sided. They fit perfectly on an A2 card base. These are great for making some quick cards. You can just add a sentiment. You can cut these out with a die for more crafting fun.
Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, what fun. Craft until the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Craft and joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm plateaus.
I love the teal in this pack.
Pumpkins on.
Those drinks look really yummy.
Sweater stamps, fall colors glowing, make little lamps from leafy garlands to thankful cards. Each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place, the rustic charm.
You do get a bonus sheet in here, so you get 6 sentiments. We've got I love you more than my morning coffee. Life happens, coffee helps. Leaves are falling, coffee is calling. Wake up and smell the coffee. My coffee is strong, so am I. Good ideas start with coffee. You get a nice color in the background, kind of like a vintage photo look. And then you can just trim these out with a die or cut them out with your trimmer. So that's everything in the junior box. So I'm going to put my paper pad off to the side for color inspiration. And let's go ahead and color up some of these images. So I picked out the image with the girl, the sentiment, cats, books. What I'm going to do after I color this, I'm going to cut this out with a square, and then part of my image is going to be cut off. I went through my Copics and I grabbed a bunch of browns.
Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cut and glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Craft until the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Craft and joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm plaid tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. The rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold. A story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Layered love in every stripe. Harvest hues and glitter too. Craft and fall with you know who. Apple pie and handmade bliss. Fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style. Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cutting glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Crafting till the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Crafting joy that always thrives. Layered tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm play tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Ooh, blah, blah, go. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing.
Okay, so let's cut this out with our square. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this pattern out with the bigger square so we can have that. I also like it with this. I think I'm going to do this one because I love how the sweater matches the color. Okay, so I have all my layers. I have a dark brown card base that measures 5 by 5. Then I have all my little layers here. So I want a white frame.
Flickering twines in place, that rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold, a story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes, layered love.
Okay, and we're gonna have this right in the center. I'm gonna add some cardstock to the side here so my square doesn't dip down.
So grab your glue and stay a while. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style. Ooh, da, da, da,
I thought I'd add a twine bow right here in the corner. And then I'll add some Nouveau crystal glaze to the little heart. I'm just going to add it to the cups, the whole cup. And that completes our card today. I think it turned out really, really cute. Love the images in the stamp set. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. I always love reading your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Time for another reveal. Bye, guys.